Unconventional front yard privacy ideas that will wow you. Creating a private oasis in your front yard can be both a practical and aesthetic endeavor. While traditional fences and hedges are common, there's a world of unconventional landscaping solutions waiting to be explored. Whether you want to enhance your outdoor living space or simply enjoy some peace away from prying eyes, let's dive into some creative front yard privacy ideas that are sure to inspire. Privacy screens for stunning visual appeal. Instead of a conventional fence, consider using artistic privacy screens that add character to your front yard. These can range from wooden slats arranged in a geometric pattern to metal panels featuring intricate cutout designs. Not only do these screens offer privacy, but they also become a focal point of your landscape, enhancing your home's curb appeal. Pair them with climbing plants like jasmine or wisteria, which will intertwine beautifully, providing an additional layer of seclusion. DIY privacy solutions with a touch of personality. Embrace your inner DIY enthusiast by crafting your own privacy solutions. For instance, repurposing old doors or windows can create a unique garden decor element that stands out. Paint them in vibrant colors or finish them with rustic stains for a whimsical touch. Additionally, creating a living wall with pots planted vertically is not only visually stunning but also serves as a powerful privacy barrier. This innovative outdoor space can host various herbs, flowers, or even vegetables, blending functionality with beauty. Embrace privacy plants for a natural barrier. Incorporating privacy plants for your front yard can transform the area into a lush retreat. Opt for tall grasses like miscanthus or ornamental varieties of bamboo that provide height without blocking sunlight. If you're looking for something unique, try installing a row of flowering trees or shrubs such as lilacs or mock orange. Their seasonal blooms add color and fragrance while keeping your yard secluded. Urban gardening tips suggest mixing different plant heights and textures to create a rich, layered effect that feels both inviting and private. Trendy front yard makeover ideas. For a complete front yard makeover, think outside the box with contemporary landscape design elements. Consider adding a sunken seating area surrounded by boulders and dense foliage, offering a cozy spot for relaxation without the eyes of the neighborhood. Alternatively, A stylish pergola adorned with draping curtains can serve as a chic privacy solution. This structure not only provides shelter but can also become an attractive spot for gatherings, making your front yard both functional and a showcase of your design flair. In conclusion, achieving front yard privacy doesn't have to mean sacrificing style. With these unconventional landscaping ideas, you can craft a beautiful outdoor living space that reflects your personality while providing the seclusion you crave. From DIY privacy solutions and innovative plant selections to stunning privacy screens, the possibilities are endless. So, roll up your sleeves and let your creativity flourish. Your front yard is waiting for its transformation into a hidden gem.